Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sheila and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the tastiest things that I probably have ever made before. I'm going to link the original recipe down below because I give credit where credit is due. I will also kind of note down below also the changes that I made. There was a couple, not many, because she had said to double it if you wanted to make it in a 9x13 pan instead of an 8x8. And I did. I usually tend to have a larger size like that because I am feeding teenage boys. And the funny thing is my husband had asked where were all the baked things. Like, how come I haven't been baking any goodies? So he was very pleased by this actually. He said it was amazing and it is now probably a new family favorite. So let's hop into it.
I want someone like you to stand by me always, and I dream of a man like you, warm and tender every single day. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. Time flies, yet there's butterflies in my palms and in my eyes. Now echoes from the other night, gossip about our delight. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. I will read you love poems, hope that you get convinced. Then I'll play something really slow and ask you to dance with me, even stay with me. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
Don't those look amazing? And let me tell you, they are so easy, so easy. You know, you could make it easier even if you don't want to make the homemade brownie batter and cookie dough and used pre-made. I'm sure they would be fine. I just like to try things from scratch. In a pinch, yes, definitely I would do that. And I'm gonna tell you, when I was first baking it, or I first did it, I thought, maybe I should have just doubled the brownie and halved the cookie dough so that you can still see the brownie on the outside, but after tasting it, there's not one thing I would change. Like I said, it got 5 stars out of 5 in our house. It was budget friendly because I had everything on hand. I try to keep chocolate chips on hand. Brown sugar is something I use quite often, so it stays on hand. Sugar, flour, I keep it on hand. Cocoa, I try to keep it on hand because nothing beats a homemade brownie. Or I have a chocolate cake that I make too. So I try to keep that kind of stuff here. So it really didn't cost me a dime to make. I had to make sure I had extra butter in the house, which is not a problem, and I had it already. So it wasn't a big deal. And that's it. Give it a shot. If you try it, let me know if you like it. Again, that full recipe is linked down below in the description box. All you gotta do is click that. I found it on Pinterest and I was very glad. I like to play on Pinterest and find new things. And I don't know, it just kind of expands our normal recipes that we have. I get in a funk and cook the same things, and I don't like to do that. So it was pretty tasty. All right, see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.